Planning a move in Houma, Louisiana? Whether you're upgrading your home or relocating a small business, having the right local movers can make or break your experience. Today, we're giving you must-know tips for a smooth move, straight from the heart of Terrebonne Parish. In a town like Houma, local knowledge matters. Movers familiar with flood zones, narrow roads, and parking regulations save time and avoid delays. South Louisiana weather and soil conditions can pose unique challenges. Make sure your movers have equipment suited for Houma's damp climate and uneven driveways. Never settle for a verbal quote. A written, itemized estimate helps you understand costs for labor, packing materials, and potential surcharges. Verify that your moving company is licensed to operate in Louisiana, and don't skip online reviews, especially from Houma locals. Weekends and the start of the month fill up fast. Booking your movers early gives you flexibility and access to better rates. Whether you're moving across town or down the bayou, having reliable local movers in Houma is key. Start by researching well, asking the right questions, and booking early. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more moving tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions about moving in South Louisiana.